We can insert blank rows by two ways. First one is select your content by holding Ctrl key one by one. Then right click, select insert and make selection of entire row and then click on OK. You will be having blank rows after each row. Second way is select your content by holding shift key, right click, choose insert, select entire row and you are having blank rows just before your content. You can choose any option as for your requirements. Please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.